welcome back to my channel. Hi to each and every one of you guys watching. What's up to each and every one of you guys? If you guys are new to my channel, what's up? My name is Diana and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me every day get ready with me makeup tutorial. Basically, this is what I do for my everyday makeup, and that's if I wear makeup. I'm going to show you guys what I do, basically, because I am a full-on glam girl. Full-on glam girl. My makeup tutorial is probably not going to be your cup of tea if you don't like makeup, just because I do wear a full-on glam when I do wear makeup. Now, the only thing I don't use when I do like my everyday makeup is I don't do my eyebrows super like thick and sharpie, like not sharpie looking, but like super thick, and I don't use my pomades. I use a pencil, and I don't use falsies. I don't do eyeshadow, and I don't use highlight. Basically, that's the only thing I don't do with my makeup. And the foundation, I don't double coat it. I only do it one time. So basically, if I kind of do need a little bit more of foundation on some spots, I will apply it in some spots. But for everyday makeup, I just apply one time and let's go. And basically, the foundation I use for everyday makeup does give me a full-on coverage, which is this one. This is the Infallible by L'Oreal. This is the number 108. This is the one I use. So that gives me a good coverage. If I do feel like I need more, just a little tiny bit more, I just add a little bit more and that's it. I'm good to go. And then also I only use a translucent powder. I do not use any like compact powder. Usually I use, when I do like a full-on glam, I do use a powder foundation. Yeah, a powder, is it powder foundation? What is this called? The MAC, it's the Studio Fix powder, which is like what, powder foundation, I would say. Powder foundation. Yeah, I usually use that when I do my not my everyday, when I do my full glam to give me more coverage. So I don't use that when I do my everyday, which is this one. So I will be showing you guys. If you guys do want to see, keep on watching, and I'll go ahead and insert the clips now. But if you guys don't like this, and you guys don't like this full-on glam, not full-on glam, but like for me this is more like a everyday kind of full glam edition, because I am a full-on glam girl when I do my makeup. So that's why I'm saying it like that, because I know a lot of people don't apply as much makeup when they do their everyday makeup, but this is just how I do mine. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I will be inserting the clips now, so enjoy, and I'll see you guys. Bye. Use the Fenty Beauty primer, and I'm just gonna use it because I have it here. I'm gonna use a little bit, and all I'm doing is applying this all over my face, like so, and here. Feel that pump did everything. It was basically like 2 pumps. Okay, so we're done with that. For our foundation, usually I use this one right here, a drugstore foundation. This is one of my favorite foundations. If you guys can see, I'm almost all of it out of it, but I'm gonna go ahead and use whatever I can from this foundation, just because it's my favorite foundation of all times. I've been using this foundation for a while, like this brand, not the bottle. I've had so many of these already. It's not even funny. It's one of my favorite foundations. So this is for me, like everyday, just apply this motherfucker. We're gonna use a sponge. This is the e.l.f. sponge, I believe, and we're just gonna pack all the foundation in our skin. Basically, just trying to, cover a little bit of this redness, discoloration, high pigmentation, all this bullshit I got going on in my face. We just want to look like, like we don't got makeup, like no makeup, you know what I mean? Like, bitch, I woke up like this. Yeah, right. But okay, basically concealer. All we're doing is applying it down here on top of our eyelids, basically, just so we could take these ugly dark circles. Just gonna go ahead and blend everything out again because I was waiting for, I had to fix something for my son. He wanted a movie, kind of. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is grab our airspun powder. This is a new one because the other one I was already out of it. This is gonna be the translucent dry sponge, and I'm gonna grab the powder and basically just apply it under my eyes. This is the best powder ever. I do have a lot of them, a lot of powders, but I've noticed that I always go back to this one because it's the one that I get less creasing with, and I love it. I love this powder. I have I'm gonna be doing the next step I'm gonna be doing is using bronzer. Now I'm gonna go ahead and bring my face back to life. I'm gonna use this BH Cosmetics Studio Pro concealer palette, bronzer or whatever palette. I'm gonna be using this brush here. This is the Morphe M437 brush, and I'm gonna start off with this color here. Apply a blush. Today we're going to be using this one. This one's by Birds and Bees. This one's called Toasted Cinnamon, and I'm going to grab the Morphe M509 brush, and I'm just gonna, it's just a little fluffy brush. I'm going to grab it and apply this product all over the brush, and I'm slowly going to apply it, just a pretty nice airbrush finish, like so. This, I think this blush kind of has like a highlight, so you guys can see that little pretty highlight going on. So that's what that's gonna look like. I'm gonna add a little bit of this one. This is the Alamar palette. I'm gonna use this color here. And I'm gonna add a little bit to my brush. Oh, what an everyday makeup, huh? And when I say every day, that means I just don't apply eyeshadow. I use everything else but except eyeshadow, which is the main thing that I do when I do my eyeshadow. I do like all over the eyeshadow thingy majigger, but I don't do eyeshadow when I do like everyday makeup look. So I usually go like this, and then I'm gonna grab my setting spray. This is the e.l.f. mattifying setting spray. all over my face. do now is do my eyebrows, and usually when I do like a everyday glam, I do it with an eyebrow pencil. This is the Morphe eyebrow pencil, and all I'm doing is kind of like filling in the little scar that I got going on right there. My scar, and then I kind of make it a little bit decent because Jesus, I just have one little line. So all I do is that, basically. Nothing out of the ordinary. Applying a mascara, a eyebrow mascara. This is the Anastasia one. I couldn't find my elf one, so that's why I'm not wearing the elf one, but the elf one is my favorite one of all time. But this will do for today. Put some mascara on. And now what we're gonna do is curl our lashes. Basically, curl. Way, ew. Get out the way. Oh, that's nasty. We're curling our lashes. I have a freaking piece of, I don't know what the hell is this glitter. So all we're doing is curling our lashes. And then we're gonna add mascara. The mascara we're gonna use is the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal, which is a pink one. I'm gonna use this one. This is the Tarteless by Tarte. It's a small little mini lipstick. It doesn't even have that much. Add a little bit of this. And I'm going to add a little bit of this one. So I believe that's it. We're just going to spritz our face one more time. We're not gonna add any highlight because I don't feel like adding any highlight. For For makeup gram, this is like my everyday when I do my makeup on a daily, and that's if I do my makeup. This is how I do it. I don't do like the big old like thick ass eyebrows. I don't do eyeshadow. I don't do lashes, and I do like a really pretty nice subtle lip. I don't do highlight either. So this is basically my face for the motherfucking everyday if I do wear makeup in a daily. But if I don't, I just be busted like you saw me in the beginning of the video. Well, before the tutorial. But that's it. I look a little bit more decent now. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.